So this is vinegar. This is this soap and baking soda and salt.
We use a bigger jar this time. Maybe the eruption will be better. I just remembered the last one we didn't add soap, so it might have been less fizzy. Okay, go ahead.
Whoa. Oh my gosh. Green is like the best color. Probably this is the best eruption we ever had.
Of all three?
Yeah. No, I guess this is better food coloring. And I guess we have to add a lot more food coloring.
It's more baking soda, I think.
Yeah. Now people will just like look up this online and build their own, then just like keep making videos of it on the TV.
Maybe. Oh, we got a dragonfly landing on my phone.
We have a dragonfly landed on my dad's phone. That was good.
All right.